The surface of a charged conductor is always an equipotential surface. What is meant by the equipotential surface? Hello dear friends, myself Ratnesh Shukla, and today in this lecture we will discuss about the equipotential surfaces and their properties. Equipotential surfaces means in Hindi we can say समविभव पृष्ठ. Equipotential means equal potential. Surfaces having the same potentials are known as the equipotential surfaces. In more scientific way, if you want to define, an equipotential surface is a surface drawn in an electric field throughout which the value of potential is same. So the value of the electric potential at the each point of the surface of a equipotential surface is same. Means there is no potential difference. Okay. So for equipotential surfaces, change in the potentials is zero, that is potential difference delta V should be zero. And you know the meaning of the potential or potential difference is basically a type of the work, right? So that's why the work done by the agent, either internal or external, should be zero, that is delta W equals zero. And you know from the mathematics that the work is the dot multiplication of the force and the displacement. So here work equals electric force FEL dot displacement dr, right? And from the vector algebra, A dot B equals AB cos theta, right? You know very well A dot B equals AB cos theta. So that's why the F electrical dot dr means F electrical dr cos theta, where theta is the angle between the electric force and the displacement dr. Dear friends, for the equipotential surfaces, potential difference is zero, but it is not essential that electric force or displacement should be zero. So definitely the value of cos theta is zero, and that is theta equals 90 degree. What is the result? Result is that electric force is perpendicular to the displacement. That is, the electric field is always perpendicular to the equipotential surfaces. So the first property of the equipotential surface is that electric field is always normal to the equipotential surface. Note down the property. Property number 1. Electric field is always perpendicular to the equipotential surface. Okay, here in the figure, see, A and B are the equipotential surfaces as shown in the figure. See, surfaces 1, 2 and 3 are normal to the electric field. They are perpendicular or normal to the electric field. See here, right? And in the second figure we have drawn some concentric circles assuming the charge at a center, right? First, second and third. These three surfaces are the equipotential surfaces. Why? Electric field is outward, you know, from the positive charge particle or negative charge particle. Electric field is outward or inward respectively, and radius of a circle is always perpendicular to it. So that's why the concentric circles will provide the equipotential surfaces. And from here it is also obvious that the equipotential surfaces never intersect or touch to each other. So the second most important property is that equipotential surfaces neither intersect nor touch to each other. Note down the equipotential surfaces neither intersect nor touch to each other. So these two are the properties of equipotential surfaces. Dear friends, the most familiar example of the equipotential surface is the surface of a charged conductor. The surface of a charged conductor is always an equipotential surface. If this were not so, then electric charge would flow from higher to lower potential, and that will lead a flow of the electric current without any source, which is quite impossible. ठीक है, यदि ऐसा हुआ तो लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी का उल्लंघन होगा, वायलेशन होगा. सो द सरफेस ऑफ ए चार्ज कंडक्टर इज ऑलवेज एन इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस. आई होप आपको आज का लेक्चर समझ में आया होगा. इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस क्या होते हैं, उनका प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है, आप समझ गए होंगे. नोट डाउन कर लें, कोई दिक्कत हो पूछ सकते हैं. धन्यवाद.